Hello, this is Leo Monney. In this Camaro 2001 SS, the customer wants to protect the whole vehicle. So we're not only going to add an alarm that will page him up to a mile away, but you're also going to be able to start the vehicle. So in the morning, he will basically be able to just push a button, the engine is going to be running, come into the car, unlock the door, and drive away. But in case anybody breaks into this vehicle, he could be up to a mile away and be able to get a signal saying that the car is being broken into.